Why does a column of water within xylem vessels of tall trees does not break under its weight? The correct answer is it is because of the tensile strength of water. Because the water molecules are strongly cohesive, meaning they stick together. So, this cohesion combined with the adhesive properties of water between water molecules and xylem walls helps maintain the integrity of water column even under the force of gravity, preventing it from breaking. So, the answer is option C, tensile strength of water. Now, coming to option A, positive root pressure. So, positive root pressure is a phenomenon that helps push water upward from the roots into the xylem. But it is not primary reason why the water column in tall trees does not break under its weight. So, option A is incorrect. Coming to option B, dissolved sugar in water. So, dissolved sugar, that is sucrose in water, do play a role in the movement of water through plants, particularly in the process of translocation in phloem. So, they are not responsible for preventing the water column in xylem from breaking under its weight. So, option P is incorrect. Option T, lignification of xylem vessels. So lignification is a process by which the xylem vessels become strengthened by lignin. So lignification does make the xylem vessel structurally strong and resistant to collapse, but it does not directly prevent the water column from breaking. So that means option D is also incorrect. The correct answer is tensile strength of water, where tensile strength is the ability to resist the pulling force.